Several still planted in the middle of the Bowden Mainroad, which is undergoing expansion in St. Thomas. Details in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
Near miss after near miss. Motorists traveling along the Bowden Mainroad in St. Thomas engage in a daily game of dodge the light posts. Only it is not a game, a fact one motorist learnt minutes after 5 Sunday morning while driving along the roadway. The driver and passenger of this Honda-fit motor vehicle were left hospitalized after the unit slammed into the utility pole. The injured passenger, we understand, is a visitor from overseas. Another motorist expressed relief the crash wasn't fatal. He explained traversing the roadway, especially at night, is a perilous exercise.
They still have the pole here, where they could move it same time when they transfer the wire. And look, it could cause life. Look at this. And you have about 6 more poles. You have one more dangerous more than this, right around there by center cut here. And you have about 6 over on that side. Why they can't move it? It's not visible. In night, if a light coming, you can't see nothing. You have to know exactly where the pole them is here. And I'm surprised more people don't meet in accident more than this, because they're not visible in night.
The situation, light poles in the middle of the road, extends to other parts of the roadway that is currently undergoing repairs as part of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Residents want the authorities to take the safety of road users more seriously and implement short-term fixes such as effecting reflectors on the light poles until a more long-term solution is found.
They should have a barrier around this at least, which proves that, a pole is here.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.